Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with Vichel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is a new playlist which will comprise of all the 3D origami models which I'll be making on this channel. 3D origami models are made up of multiple triangular pieces, and each triangular piece is called a 3D origami triangular piece. So in this video we'll be creating a 3D origami triangular piece. So let's get started. So guys, this is a one 3D origami triangular piece looks like. So let's keep this aside and let's start making it. It's very easy. For this you'll need a rectangular piece of paper. You obtain 16 such pieces from an A4 sheet of paper. So first you need to fold it from the center along the horizontal axis from this point to this point, like this. Then you need to fold it along vertical axis from the center. Open it back. You have a center crease. You need to fold this corner, turning it like this, making a triangular shape here. Similarly on this side. This is how it looks. Now turn your paper and then fold this corner to make a triangle on both the sides, and then you lock this portion like this on both the sides and then fold it. That's it. This is how one triangular piece looks like. So this is kind of flattened triangular piece. You need to make such multiple triangular pieces and then put this like this. You open it slightly and then you put it like this, one into the other, so that when you open it you get this bulged shape. So guys, I hope that was super easy. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment your views about this video, and most important, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest updates. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care guys.